Howdy, Michael the Mercedes guy here. We're going to do how to put these exhaust hanger donuts on. Now, this is the old style. If you can, buy the new style, which actually has a cross X in here of rubber, which is great because it keeps rattling from happening of the hanger hitting hanger. Now, when you install these, the hardest to get to, you put that on first by just shoving this over and manipulating it with your fingers. Then, the easiest to get to you use a screwdriver, get it down on here. I'm using a flat screwdriver rather than a Phillips. Then you can pry this around the hook. Now, I've actually had people call me and say the donuts are too small, they can't get them on. Just because they don't know that trick. You actually have to stretch that donut in order to get it over the hook.